Nutritional and medicinal constituents of Moringa oleifera leaves, a plant consumed highly in the sub-Saharan African region. By Emmanuel Odumeru, Costelia C. Najoku and Salomon Ijeoma. Introduction. The Moringa oleifera, M.O., plant, commonly referred to as the miracle tree, is known by various names. In English, it is called the drumstick tree or horseradish plant. Locally in Nigeria, it is known as Jogle in Hausa, Okwe Oyibo in Igbo, Iu Ile in Yoruba, and Gawara in Fulani. The uses of M.O. leaf extract in controlling high blood pressure and as a food supplement with high nutritional value have been documented scientifically. Some studies have also shown that dosages appear to be safe from tested toxicity, but a relative increase such as 3 to 4 times the recommended doses is known to cause genotoxic damage. However, there is a paucity of human evidence of the potency of M.O. presently. Most studies use animal models such as rats and ethanol extract. Objective. The study aims to assess the nutritional and medicinal values of M.O. determining its acute toxicity lethal and sublethal doses, LD50, and its phytochemical constituents in a locality where consumption is very high using Swiss albino mice. Methods. The ethanol extraction method was used to obtain the concentrates of 100 g and 30 adult mice, 30-40 g, were used for acute toxicity, LD50. Phytochemical qualitative and quantitative analysis, gas chromatography mass spectrometry, instrumental neutron activation analysis, and atomic absorption spectrophotometer were carried out to determine the major bionutrients. Identification of phytocomponents and minerals and vitamins constitution respectively. Results. The results showed that LD50 of 3,900 mg per kg induced death in mice. Piloerection amongst others and weight gain were observed in sublethal doses. Carbohydrates, 36.6%, calcium, phenol, ascorbic acid, and methyl octadisanoate, 30%, recorded the highest constituents. Conclusion. It is safe to consume M.O. in the right doses for body nourishment and health promotion. The consumption of M.O. may alleviate malnutrition and other related diseases. And dried leaves as a food supplement since it has a low genotoxic effect when an appropriate dose or quantity is taken. Future studies are necessary to move from animal models to human trials, and to improve the preparation of the extract from raw crude to a more refined and palatable form for easy human consumption. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.